My name's David Lee. I'm a partner at Namu Pot and Namu Gaji.
Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm the chef and partner also at Namu Pot and Namu Gaji.
Okonomiyaki translates to how you want it or how you like it. Originally, it's from Osaka, Japan. Our okonomiyaki, it's a San Francisco okonomiyaki, basically. The name is Japanese, but the approach is very Asian American. It's totally actually a good lens into kind of what we do, exploring dishes from different places.
So the main ingredient in the okonomiyaki is green cabbage. It's sort of the meat of the dish. The green onion is sort of an accent mixed in with the cabbage and the pancake. We have these beautiful plump oysters. Oysters and kimchi is sort of a classic combination. The cabbage and green onions go down. This is the batter. It's a flour-based batter. It does have some starch in it. And we'll stud it with some oysters and kimchi. The sauces and the bonito are what really evoke that okonomiyaki spirit, if you will.
We don't categorize our food at all. We never categorize it. We just try to make good food that we would like to eat.
And there you have it, Namu Gaji's perfect okonomiyaki with kimchi and oysters.